Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from Panama City. I just checked into the Executive Hotel, and yes, that is the name of the hotel. The Executive Hotel in Panama City, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick room tour of my hotel room number 1210. And yeah, my first impression is pretty positive. The staff were very friendly. At the check-in, was very efficient and quick. I was greeted with a smile, so no complaints whatsoever. And for everything that I've seen so far, the hotel is pretty clean. It's not dated or anything like that. It's not ultra modern. It's not super luxurious, but it seems to be reflecting the reviews, the online reviews. So the reviews are pretty good. I booked this through Expedia by using travel points. Okay, there's the safe. Lots of hangers. Tiny little coffee maker. Fridge, mini fridge, which is always good. 2 bottles of water. Okay. Coffee and tea. Yeah, I have to say, so far so good. No complaints at all. Here's your desk. Well, as far as the views are concerned, I didn't book this place for the views, but I guess it could be worse. There is a pool here, which I will do. We will do a tour tomorrow, a pool tour. It doesn't seem to be a big pool. It seems to be pretty small. But nevertheless, I will show you guys the pool. Very important when you book your trips and your hotels. Yeah, it's pretty clean. There's drawers in here even. Interesting. Okay, guys. Have you stayed at the Executive Hotel here in Panama City before? I've stayed at many different hotels in Panama City. I would say so far, based on my check-in experience, it's definitely one of the better ones out of those. But anyway, let me know. Comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Guru TV for more travel-related videos from all over the world. Muchas gracias. Buen día.